In this video, I want to show you how to change the inputs of your Sony TV in case you don't have any remote control. So step number one is to find the power button. Sometimes it's located under the TV, okay? Check over there. But in my case, and maybe on your Sony TV, it's on the back. Let me give you a look. All right, so this is where my power button is located on the lower left side, if you want to say it, or right side, depending how you look at it. So go ahead and find the power button. Then once you found it, tap on it once. Don't keep it pressed, just give it a small tap and a menu will appear on the display like this. We need to select input over here, so you're gonna give small taps on that power button and the selection, the blue selection, will jump from every options to another. So yeah, this disappears, by the way, if you don't touch anything. So I'll tap again, and simply by giving that button small taps, don't keep it pressed, I will highlight input in blue, and then I'll keep press the power button to select inputs. Next, you're gonna have all your inputs down below, and you may have HDMI 1, 2, 3, 4, depending if you have stuff connected to your Sony TV. I don't. This is why I don't see HDMI. But just by giving small tap, you'll be able to, okay, to select which input you want. Let's say I want AirPlay, okay, and then keep press the power button to select that input. And you can do this again without any remote control. As you see, I was able to change it. If I press again on the power button, I can go back to the inputs menu the same way. So now I can switch it to TV. Okay, I keep press the power button and the inputs has switched to TV. Very easy, very convenient. And yeah, you can also have other options like volume up, down, channel up or down. And yeah, you can use these simply by tapping the power button of your Sony TV. Leave a like, subscribe, also comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.